Comparing Neideso N300 and Neideso N700 dash cameras. In the world of dash cameras, two models stand out for their exceptional features and capabilities, the Neideso N300 and Neideso N700. These cameras are designed to capture every detail on the road, ensuring you have a reliable witness in case of unexpected incidents. In this article, we'll explore the key differences between these two models, helping you make an informed decision about which one suits your needs best. Camera channels. One of the primary distinctions between the Neideso N300 and N700 is the number of camera channels. The N300 offers 4 channels, which include front, cabin, and rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage. On the other hand, the N700 goes a step further, featuring an additional rotatable rear camera for complete surveillance around your vehicle. Video resolution. When it comes to video quality, the Neideso N300 boasts FHD 1080p for all 4 channels, with the capability to capture 2K UHD videos. The N700, however, steps up the game with a 4K front camera, providing incredibly high-resolution video, while maintaining 1080p for the rear and cabin cameras. GPS module. Both models feature GPS modules, allowing you to record your driving trajectory and speed. However, the Neideso N700 takes it a step further by offering additional tracking on Google Maps, giving you a more comprehensive overview of your routes. Mobile app. Both cameras offer connectivity with the TS-Cam app for real-time video viewing and downloading on your iPhone or Android device. This feature allows you to easily access and share recorded videos. However, the N700 takes the convenience to another level by enabling video downloading through the app. Voice control. Voice control is a feature unique to the Neideso N700. With voice commands in English, you can control the camera effortlessly, keeping your hands on the wheel and focusing on driving. You can issue commands to take photos, start or stop video recording, enable or disable audio, and manage Wi-Fi and screen settings. Rotatable rear camera. The Neideso N700 offers a rotatable rear camera, capable of capturing footage from various angles around your vehicle. This flexibility is a valuable asset for those who want to document what's happening behind the car, even when the camera is not facing directly rearward. Low-light capabilities. In low-light conditions, the Neideso N300 relies on 8 IR lamps in the cabin to capture clear images. In contrast, the N700 equips its cabin camera with an f1.8 aperture and 8 IR LEDs, ensuring clear recording even in total darkness. Memory card. Both the N300 and N700 come with 64 GB industrial-grade memory cards, which are designed to read and write footage faster during recording. In conclusion, both the Neideso N300 and N700 are impressive dash camera options. The N700, with its 4K front camera, voice control, and rotatable rear camera, offers more advanced features for those seeking the best in dash camera technology. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two models, and rest assured that either one will serve as a reliable witness on the road.